Here's my 74 International pickup. If you want to see the adventures they had getting home for me, you go to Adventures of Festus's channel, adventures_of_Festus. They got that out there for you to watch. But it is a 200 camper special, 392 V8, 727 3-speed. Done a little bit to it. Put different rims and tires on it because I had the originals on it when I got it. So it's got better tires and different rims on it. Went through and did the conversion for the brakes on the front. Had the original International brakes on the front, but at $244 per rotor, I decided that I did not want to pay that for a rotor. So we went and bought a Ford axle, swapped everything out from the knuckle out for a Ford, which is why my hubs say Ford, but honestly I really don't care that much because they're cheap and they work. See the fuel selector valve right there for the two different tanks. Took that apart, rebuilt it, all new fuel lines. Yes. Oh, Snapple I didn't forget about. Alright. Pretty good interior. I got a new seat cover for it. Some of the seals need replaced, you can see on the far side there for the door. But the dash is fairly well intact. Clock radio does not work. Four-wheel drive. It's got the camper mirrors on it. The wide mirrors. Got some classic mud flaps. Missing a tailgate. I gotta find a tailgate for it. Oil pressure gauge didn't work, so I put this one in here. It sits right there when it'll stay. I replaced the radio. Took the old one out, put this Pioneer in it. Works phenomenal. I put 2 JBL speakers in the dash, so instead of having the one dual voice coil, it's got 2 speakers up there. It just sounds really, really good compared to having 1 speaker in there. She does run, but unfortunately left a little bit of that corn gas in there for too long, so it runs like crap right now. So you have to take my word for it that it runs really good, which it did when I was out here in February. But really can't show you right now. I can, but not a whole lot to see because it doesn't run that great. There we go. Went through, ran all new cables for it. I took the AC compressor off. It wasn't doing anything, it was just being in the way. Put a manual choke on it. International 392 V8. This thing will get up and go. I'm very happy with it for sitting as long as it did. It runs really good.